welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate. If you're new here, welcome. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Stick around for the journey. So today we're going to be reviewing the February box for the Sephora Play. Just got this in the mail today and just got home, so let's see what's in it. I know for the January thing, they had like a little overview of what all the next few boxes will be. I think this one said it was lips. I think I saw this was going to be lips online too, but let's see. Okay. So when you first open it up, this is what it looks like. And you get a little card here and then a little box here. First, the card is, this is just your little 50 bonus points when you buy something. And then this is their little stuff right here. And then on the back here is what everything is in the box, which I will show you guys in a second. This is a little package right here. It comes in this month. It's a little girl on the front. The heart. It says feel the love. Hashtag Sephora Play. So this first Atelier cologne. It is Tangerine Dreams. Came with this little really cute little postcard right here. Wow. So it comes with this little sample size bottle of cologne. We'll smell it. It's tangerines. Okay, so yeah, that just gives off a little nice little tangerine orangey smell. So we'll test it out later. As of now, I feel like it's going to be a nice little citrus summery scent. This is the next product. First Aid Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. So this is just like a revitalizing jelly mask that's packed with ginger, turmeric to comfort and brighten stressed out skin. So I have finals this week, so I can put this on, de-stress myself. Our next product is this. This is a Nude with Attitude, a Sephora Collection Ultra Shine Lip Gloss. This is in shade Perfect Nude, which is 04. We'll test this out here. I'll show you guys a little swatch of the lip gloss, if I can open it. It feels very glossy and not like, you know when you put lip gloss on and it feels really sticky and it's just like, ew. That doesn't feel like it for this one. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah, it's like a very pretty glossy like nude and just give you like a perfect little shine when you want to have something on your lips but not really feel like there's anything on it. Ooh, this isn't actually a full-size product, I believe. Okay, so this is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. Swatching it on my hand, I can tell it's very easily to move and it doesn't like drag, it just very felt little line. It's in black and I do see that I will be using this. Next is this Peter Thomas Raw Firm Peeling Gel. This is an exfoliant gel powered by multiple fruit enzymes to reveal a glowy complexion. Wow. Ooh, this is, it's pineapple and pomegranate enzymes help clear clogged pores and remove dead skin cells from your softest skin. So let's see if it smells like pineapple. Okay, don't get too strong of a pineapple scent or pomegranate, but you know, it's fine. We'll test that out tonight and I will see how it works. So our last product here is this Makeup Forever Artist Rouge lipstick in M500. This is the exclusive bonus thing because you get 2 lip products this month. So it says, we've given you 2 lip products this month so you can share one with a friend. No, you can keep them both. So this is a lipstick here. So let me wipe it off my lips now and then I'll come back and test it out for you guys. Okay, so this is a lipstick here. This is the lipstick again in M500, the Artist Rouge lipstick by Makeup Forever, and I do really like it. I think it sits nice on my skin tone, and I saw some other person doing one of these February unboxings and it looked really good on them too. So I mean, if you want to try a lipstick that's kind of in like a dark winey maroon family, I would check this out. It went on very easily and silky and it looks good with my yellow eyeshadow right now, so you know, you can try it out too. So that's all that comes in the box this month. Once again, 6 products I believe, Just like last month, there were also 6. So next month, I believe there will also be 6. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll leave the link down below where you too can sign up for the Sephora Play boxes if you want to try them out yourself. They are $10 a month. It just automatically charges you, so if you want to try that out, something you want to do, look down below where you can also find my social media links and check me out there. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media listed down below. I am Kate, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!